Sometimes we want to test a power supply outside a computer. The problem with power supplies is that they don't switch on unless they get the signal from the computer. Let's show that happening. If I connect the power supply up to the mains and switch it on, nothing happens because it hasn't received the signal from the motherboard telling it to switch on. If we look at the signal definition here, we've got the power supply on signal here, which must come from the motherboard component to switch on the power supply, take it out of its standby state and switch on. What we can do is use a special power supply tester like this, which would switch on the power supply by giving it the signal, connecting the signal in from the motherboard to the power supply on signal, and also allows us to test and load the power supply. So I'll connect this up and switch on, and this time we see that the power supply starts up, the fan's going, and the lights have come on, indicating that all of the output supplies, +5, -5, +12, -12, and +3.3, are all within tolerance. This individual light here is telling us that the power good signal is also active, and the top light that's out there for error would show up if there was an error coming out of the power supply. The two components here are resistors that load the power supply and give it something to drive. And just a reminder, the power good signal on our plug here comes out on this pin here, and we can check that with a meter, which we'll do another time.